Hey guys, welcome to Franklin Woodworks. No project video this time. This will be more of a shop update. I've been working on a ton of stuff, but nothing really video worthy by itself. But I will say that I was inspired by Dave Piccuito over at the YouTube channel Make Something. So I decided to install a sliding stop block for my miter station. I clamped down a straight edge that would give me the proper offset for my router to run against, and used a 3/4 inch straight bit to route the channel for the T-track. And I forgot to put on safety equipment when I started, but sawdust in the eyes gave me a quick reminder. My Israeli gas mask is perfect for the job. I bought some Shop Fox T-track for the project since it's cheaper than the Craig T-track. I don't know if this applies to the Craig T-track or not, but the Shop Fox T-track is just a hair over 3/4 of an inch wide. Well, they don't make router bits that are just a hair over 3/4 inches, so I added a couple thicknesses of masking tape to the face of my router for the final pass. This gave me a nice snug fit. The stop block itself is pretty simple, but genius. It has runners that keep it square to the miter saw. I'll give all the credit for that to Dave Piccuito. So with that done, I built another table for my office, and I began pumping out some things that will be offered in an auction to raise money for my son's school. This vase, or whatever you want to call it, was the subject of a video I did a while back. I made this spalted maple and walnut bowl a couple of months ago, and I spent some time finishing these two pieces. But the one I'm really proud of is this Piccuito and red and black palm goblet, or whatever you want to call it. Everything but the base is segmented, and I think it turned out really nice. And to wrap this up, many of you have inquired as to how well my improved air filter is doing. This is after the one turning project with the Piccuito. By comparison, this is a new filter. I think it's doing an outstanding job. Links to all related videos below. Thanks for watching, and there you go.